What is up, everyone? Welcome to CanvaPlay!
Hello, good hearts and godsends. My name is Simon, Goodheart VA, and welcome to our channel Canva Play. We make videos here in Canva Play to share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications just below this video so you don't miss out on every video we post here as we upload new videos all the time. Alright then, let me start our today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a bokeh effect in Canva. As defined, bokeh is the placing or aesthetic quality of out-of-focus background blur in a photograph when shooting a subject using a fast lens. To picture it out visually, a bokeh might be a very distinct, well-defined subject with a blurred background represented by soft, blurred colorful circles of light. In designs, bokeh appears to be a blurred backdrop in a beautiful and colorful blurred circles. In Canva, bokeh effect is easy to create. How? Let's get into Canva and I will show you how to create a bokeh effect. But before that, here are the designs that I will create. I am now in a blank Canva design page and let's create a design. We usually create our designs using 1080 by 1350 pixel size or vertical Instagram size. This time for this tutorial, I choose to use a Canva page size of 1280 by 720 pixel size or YouTube thumbnail size for the reason of showing you the whole look of the design that I will create. To start, get your subject image from photos or uploads. I will get mine from photos by typing in the search bar the keyword sunny day. I will scroll down to find the image that I want to use. This one, showing you the keyword sunny day. I will click it and use it in the design. I prefer to choose this picture because of the vibrant sunny day atmosphere wherein I think bokeh effect of the background will add more light, happy and sunny day feeling to the picture itself. I will duplicate this image and set it aside for later use. Going back to the first one, I will set this image as my background. I want to adjust the image of the woman a little bit upward. What I will do is I will double click this background image until it shows the image being highlighted and move it upward with my mouse like this. And I will click done. Now I'm going to drag to this page the duplicated image we set aside a while ago. Once done, I will remove the background of this image by using the background remover. Using this image, go to Edit Image, click on Background Remover. If you are a Pro version user, you can automatically remove the background under Edit Image. If you are a free version user, you can use the free alternative background removers like remove.bg or Sticker Mule. You can find in the description box below the link to this alternative. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. Just click the link and it will direct you to Canva to process your trial subscription. It's completely free and you can cancel it anytime you want, hassle-free. Click Apply when done. To continue, I will adjust the image to occupy the whole page and fit it exactly with the background. And then I will lock it. Let's now add the bokeh effect. What we'll do is we'll go to Elements and search in the search bar the keyword bokeh. Go to Graphics, and too many bokeh elements will appear in front of your eyes. Finding keywords is hard and time-consuming, and you need to do a depth search and a lot more time to find this kind of keyword. If you want to save time and find extraordinary keywords like this in Canva, we have created an ebook called Canva Deep. Canva Deep is an ebook of 900 plus Canva search keywords with visual presentations that are widely known and deep search to help you find the exact stock Canva resources for your day-to-day designs. To continue, I will get 4 of its kinds. This one. I will show you the keyword Bokeh Light Transparent. I will click it and use it in the design. Now watch me how I will position these wonderful elements in my design page. Once I've scattered it around the design, I will now select them all and I will position them at the back of the woman. The second and the third element that I want to use, I think I saw it the first time we searched the bokeh elements. The first one and the second one, I will use these two. I will also spread it across the design. Perfect. The fourth one is, I think this one, I will use this. I will show you the keyword Magic Summer Rays. I will click it and use it in the design. Then, I will flip it horizontally and position it at the upper right portion of the picture. I'll just resize it according to my preference. And I want to adjust the tone of the Magic Summer Rays element by using the Adjust settings. So what I will do is using this element, I will go to Edit Image, find the Adjust settings, click See All, and adjust the following settings to Brightness 10, Contrast -10, Saturation 40, Blur -8, Vibrance 100, Highlights 100, Shadows -100. I think it is now okay. We are now done with our first example. Let's try another one. So let's add a new page. And this one is different because it is in the night scene. In addition, we will use different colors of bouquet elements here. So let's go again to photos. Type in the search bar the keyword portrait of a handsome black man in front of colorful neon lights. Hit enter. And I will scroll down to find the image that I want to use. This one, showing you the keyword portrait of a handsome black man in front of colorful neon lights. I will click it and use it in the design. Now I will duplicate this image. Set this one as my background. Then, this duplicated one, I will go to edit image and click on background remover. Once the background is removed, I will click apply. Then, I will resize this image to occupy the whole page. I will make sure that it fits exactly with the background. Then, I will lock it. Let's now add again the bouquet effect. So going again to elements, as we have searched it previously, so here it is. We are now ready to scroll down and find the perfect bouquet that we will place in our image. Let me just scroll down and find, I think I need some kind of red and blue bouquet. This one, showing you the keyword small bouquet dots. I will click it and use it in the design. I will duplicate it and I will position it here, just like this. And for this one, I will resize it based on my preference. I'm gonna flip it vertically first. And then I will resize it, make it bigger. Perfect. After that, I will select the two and position them backward. To add some intensity to the bouquet, I will select this one at the right side. Go to edit image. Click on adjust settings, see all. And since it's color blue, I think I'm going to adjust the warmth intensity to -100 to make it more cool. And while this one at the left side with the red bouquets, I will go again to edit image, find the adjust settings, click see all, and I will adjust the warmth intensity settings in the opposite direction, which is +100, because it is in the red shade, making it more warm. Done! This is now the final look of our second trial design we created using the bokeh effect in Canva. I will now again show you the two examples we did using the bokeh effect in Canva. Sample number 1. Sample number 2. That's it! For more design inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Simon, Good Heart VA, saying sharing is caring. In behalf of Pinky Godsent VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys, see you in the next video.